If you're familiar with the WordPress editor, it uses blocks in order to build out your pages with headings, images, and all sorts of options. I wanted to let you know about the Cadence Blocks plugin. That's a plugin that's come out recently, and it really takes the Gutenberg editor to the next level. All you need is the free Cadence Blocks plugin. You can find it on WordPress or in the link below this video. I'll have a link to download that. Once you have that installed and activated on your website, whenever you go into the Gutenberg editor on a page or a blog post or a course, you have a little bit different of a layout here. When you go to add a block, you have some options on the top here, and I'm not going to go through all of these in this video, but some highlights from new blocks that have been added in this plugin are the tabs block right here. This is a really interesting one, and typically you could only get this layout if you're using a page builder, but now you can have it in WordPress out of the box. This is a tab style layout where if I click here, I have tabs 1, 2, and 3, and I can add in content here. If I have a heading, maybe I'm using this for a course catalog with categories in each tab, or I can really break up maybe the student dashboard page or something like that. I can now do in this tab layout here, and I can easily change the layout and names of my tabs. Another awesome block that this adds is the advanced button block. You're going to be using buttons a lot in WordPress, and this button block allows you to do some more things above and beyond what you can do with typical buttons out of the box. Changing things like the text size, the color is a feature out of the box with WordPress, but there's all sorts of cool things like a button shadow, and now you don't need to know how to do all the HTML in order to use these settings. It makes it super easy to do, changing things like the font family without having to go into the CSS and modifying everything there, all the way down to really advanced things with margins you could do. So if you're interested in checking out the Cadence Blocks plugin, click the link in the description below this video. I'll link over to the free download of the Cadence Blocks plugin, as well as they do have a paid version that adds some interesting features such as video pop-ups and on-scroll animations and some other cool things. But you can really take your Gutenberg WordPress website to the next level with just the free plugin. Be sure to leave a like on the video and comment down below if you're interested in seeing more content around KadenceWP and possibly the KadenceWP Blocks plugin specifically. This has been Will Middleton from WP Course Guide. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.